I see the silver threads among the gold upon your head. You're the anchor in the harbor when the heavy billows roll. We walked 1,000 miles through dust and rain. A promise made a lifetime ago is one I mean to keep. Oh, my lovely wife, you're the song my heart is singing. To every great and holiday, a special light you're bringing. You're the fire in the winter and the shade in summer heat. You're the only one who makes this jagged journey feel complete. Yeah, you're the only one who makes my life so sweet. I remember how the world looked on the day we said I do. Every year that passes by, I fall again for you. You built a home from bricks of hope and mortar made of love. I reach out for your hand and leave the darkness far behind. Far behind. Oh, yeah. Oh, my lovely wife, your heart is on my heart is singing. Yeah. To every great and holiday, a splash of light you're bringing. You're the fire in the winter and the shade in summer heat. You're the only one who makes this jagged journey feel complete. Yeah, you're the only one who makes my life so sweet. So sweet, so sweet. Oh, oh, but the devotion in your spirit is a flame that never dies.
I see the map of all our years reflected in your eyes.
No mountain is too hard to climb as long as you are there. Complete. Yeah, you're the only one who makes my life so sweet.
So sweet,
oh, yeah.
so sweet,
Yeah,
so sweet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're everything I ever hoped to find. Rest your head upon my shoulder.
Let the evening fade to black.
We've come so far together now, and we are looking back. My lovely wife, you're everything I ever hoped to find.